10 Dog feeding mistakes that could lead to major health issues. Why Pilcrow eth. Overfeeding. Many dog owners overfeed their pets, thinking more food equals more love. However, overfeeding can lead to obesity, which increases the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and joint problems. Dogs need a balanced diet with proper portion control based on their weight, age, and activity level. Feeding too much can also put unnecessary strain on their organs. Always follow the recommended portion sizes given by your vet or food manufacturer. Regular exercise and a proper diet go hand in hand to keep your dog fit and healthy. Using a measuring cup or a scale can help prevent unintentional overfeeding. If your dog constantly begs for food, it might be a sign of boredom rather than hunger. Feeding human food. Many human foods are harmful to dogs, even if they seem harmless. Foods like chocolate, grapes, onions, garlic, and artificial sweeteners can be toxic and even fatal for them. High-fat human foods can lead to pancreatitis, while salty snacks can cause dehydration and kidney problems. Some people feed their dogs leftovers, which often contain spices and ingredients unsafe for pets. Even small amounts of the wrong food can lead to severe digestive problems, vomiting, or poisoning. Always research before giving your dog any human food, and stick to vet-approved treats and meals. Not measuring portions. Eyeballing your dog's food portions can lead to serious health issues. Many pet owners unknowingly give too much or too little food, causing weight problems or nutritional deficiencies. Measuring your dog's food using a cup or scale ensures they get the right amount of nutrients. Portion sizes should be adjusted based on your dog's age, weight, breed, and activity level. Active dogs require more food, while less active ones need smaller portions. Free feeding, or leaving food out all day, can encourage overeating and obesity. Feeding at specific times with measured portions keeps their weight in check and helps with digestion. Too many treats. While treats are great for training and bonding, too many can harm your dog's health. Treats should make up no more than 10% of your dog's daily calorie intake. Overindulgence can lead to obesity, digestive issues, and picky eating habits. Some commercial treats are high in sugar, salt, and artificial ingredients that are bad for long-term health. Instead of processed treats, consider giving small pieces of fruits or vegetables like carrots and apples, without seeds. Moderation is key to keeping your dog happy and healthy while still rewarding good behavior. Feeding one type of food only. Dogs need a balanced diet with a mix of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Feeding only one type of food, especially low-quality kibble, can lead to deficiencies. A good diet should include high-quality proteins, chicken, beef, fish, healthy fats, and fiber from vegetables and grains. Some dogs benefit from a combination of dry and wet food for better hydration and variety. If you're unsure about your dog's diet, consult a vet to ensure they're getting all essential nutrients. Rotating between different protein sources can also help prevent allergies and boredom. Giving bones and leftovers. While dogs love bones, cooked bones can splinter and cause serious injuries, including choking or digestive blockages. Raw bones are safer but should be given under supervision. Leftovers from human meals often contain spices, onions, garlic, and fats that are harmful to dogs. Fatty foods can lead to obesity and pancreatitis, while too much salt can cause dehydration and kidney damage. Instead of giving table scraps, provide your dog with healthy, vet-approved treats. If you want to give bones, choose raw, meaty bones that are safe for dogs and suitable for their size. Not providing enough water. Hydration is just as important as food for your dog's health. A lack of water can lead to dehydration, kidney problems, and overheating, especially in hot weather. Dogs should always have access to clean, fresh water throughout the day. Some dogs drink less water than they need, so you can encourage hydration by adding a little water to their kibble or feeding wet food. A good rule is to provide 1 ounce of water per pound of body weight daily. Signs of dehydration include dry gums, lethargy, and excessive panting. Always monitor your dog's water intake to ensure they stay properly hydrated. Sudden diet changes. Switching your dog's food too quickly can cause digestive issues like diarrhea, vomiting, and stomach pain. Dogs have sensitive stomachs, and their diet should be changed gradually over 7–10 days. Start by mixing a small amount of the new food with their current food, gradually increasing the new food while decreasing the old one. This helps their digestive system adjust and prevents discomfort. If your dog refuses the new food, try mixing in a little wet food or a natural topper to make it more appealing. Sudden dietary changes can also cause allergies or food intolerance reactions, so always observe for any adverse effects. Ignoring food allergies. Just like humans, dogs can develop food allergies or intolerances. Common allergens include chicken, beef, dairy, wheat, and soy. Symptoms of food allergies include itching, skin rashes, ear infections, digestive issues, and excessive licking. If you notice any of these signs, consult your vet for an allergy test or an elimination diet. Many hypoallergenic dog foods are available that cater to dogs with sensitive stomachs or allergies. Feeding the right food can improve your dog's coat, digestion, and overall health. Always monitor how your dog reacts to different foods and adjust their diet accordingly. Skipping vet-recommended diets. If your vet prescribes a specific diet due to your dog's health condition, it's crucial to follow their advice. Many pet owners ignore these recommendations, leading to worsening health problems. Dogs with kidney disease, diabetes, or allergies require specialized diets to manage their conditions. Feeding the wrong food can cause serious complications and reduce your dog's quality of life. If your dog refuses the prescribed diet, ask your vet for alternative options rather than switching on your own. Always prioritize your dog's health by providing the best nutrition possible. Avoid these feeding mistakes to keep your dog happy and healthy.